rice with ground beef and carrots and raisins and spice and carrots and ginger and garlic and celery and onions and raisins and spices and pepper and salt and chicken stock and rice and olive oil. Just do this. Oh, not down. Still not down. Super careful. Clean the celery with the knife. I'll test if I can open it. I can. Easy. If I don't know how to open it, I'll ask you. It's kind of heavy, so can you help me, Daddy?
Sure.
It's kind of heavy, right? When I say stop, stop, okay?
Okay.
Stop. Onion. I'm putting the onion in the pot first. I'm putting the ginger and the onion in the pot. Now throw the onion in the ginger.
How long do you cook it for?
I don't know. When it's all clear, now I can put my salt on the onions.
There you go.
And just 2 more. I want to get all of it mixed together so it has a good flavor. I think that's enough. I made a meal plow with celery, onions, and carrots. What goes next? Putting ground beef in the pot now.
Yeah.
I'm flattening it first. I'm flattening the ground beef in the pot with the carrot and the celery and the onion. It's turning a little brown. I accidentally touched the stove. I accidentally touched the pot by accident, but it was just so fast so I didn't burn myself, okay, Dad?
Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
See? No fire on my finger.
Alright, good.
What comes next, I think? Now you mix it. Now we mix it in the pot. I'm mixing the ground beef in the pot now. I think it's all done. I'm putting in the rice now. I think it's all done. I'm pouring in the Korean cinnamon rice into the pot. I'm mixing the food so it can have flavors, like Bobby Flay. Get it? Flavor? Bobby Flay? Get it? You get it, Dad?
Oh, I get it.
Now chicken stock. I'm scraping the sides of the pot so everything's in the chicken stock. Now, the finally last part, raisins. Now, can you give me the lid, please? Now, put the lid on. I'm turning the fire all the way on so the pot can be boiling and hot. Alexa, set the timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
We just have to wait until that, right? Waiting. What? Wait. There are candles on the side, and when you turn one of these, it makes it hot. That is awesome. Alexa, stop. Take the lid off. Take the lid off.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
It's gonna be hot. Be careful. No. Never put your face over a hot steaming pot. Okay? The steam will get you.
It smells so good. Smell it? You smell it?
Wow, you hear your brother in the background? Yeah. Maybe he's excited for the rice too.
He wants to eat the rice too.
Yeah. All right.
Done. Smell it so close, but not over the pot, okay? You smell it from the side, okay? Smells good, right? Good. I had a good time showing you how to make rice. Now can I eat?
You want to tell him bye?
Bye.